Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Here on Pool Talk with Trish, we talk all about swimming pools, and we specifically focus on fiberglass swimming pools. And one of the great things about the fiberglass swimming pools is the nice, smooth, non-porous surface. And in addition to that surface being much easier to clean and maintain, it's also much more skin friendly. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to talk about some of the benefits of the smooth surface of the fiberglass pool. So let's dive in. Okay, so we've talked before about that great non-porous surface of the fiberglass pools and how it's much easier to keep clean and maintain, how it doesn't harbor bacteria or root in algae. And these are all great benefits, but there's more to it than that. Your smooth surface is also much more skin friendly. And what do we mean by that? The fiberglass surface provides a much more comfortable feel and a scratch-free swimming experience. And it really does give you that nice peace of mind to know that your kids can be swimming in the pool without worry of scratching up their skin on a rough surface like you have with a concrete pool. Hence the term skin friendly. When I was growing up as a child, I swam a lot, as you can imagine, being that my family has been in the pool industry since 1954. I was in and out of pools every chance I got, and I constantly had a little scratch on my chin from my chin scraping up against the bottom of the pools. Well, this simply doesn't happen with a fiberglass pool, and it's smooth to the touch without being slippery. And this is also great for your swimsuits too. They don't get all tattered and scuffed up from sitting on the steps of the pool. So while we love the fact that that smooth surface makes the pool easier to clean and even reduces your chlorine need by about 30%, we also love that it provides a much more comfortable swimming experience for you and your family. If you have any questions at all, just reach out. You can always call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I can't wait to talk to you soon, and I can't wait to help you get swimming. Oh, and of course, if you did find this information valuable, like it, share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it, and I'd love to see your comments as well. And if you're watching on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that little bell icon so that you get notified of any and all new future content. I'll see you guys soon.